guys, Crazy for Airsoft 909, here with another video. I just got a package from AirRattle and we're going to open it up. I just got to open the box. Well, I cut most of it already, I didn't open it yet. Just wanted to get most of it out of the way, so this video doesn't take too long. But I'll show you what I got. That's my biggest order. Ooh, there's... Okay. There we go. So, that's what I got. First off, I got a free AirRattle t-shirt. Well, this is actually wrapped in my other thing I got. But I'll show you this. If you order $99 and more, you get this free. It's pretty nice. It's a nice little t-shirt. It says airrattle.com. Pretty nice, actually. Next, I got 5,000 BBs for $12. 0.23 gram. I'm putting all this stuff back here and then I'll show you. Some green gas for my new gun. This is my first green gas gun ever. And actually, I'm going to close the shade because that's making a big reflection. Okay. Ooh, next, the TF Tactical Force CO2 Uzi. So you can see, I've been hearing things about this gun. I finally decided to order it, and actually it looks like green gas. That doesn't really matter, I got green gas anyway. This gun, $79, and well, this thing's going crazy. 70 orders over $79, you get a free handgun. So I got this. It is a M823. I don't really care about that. Now this is my real order. Why I ordered this. The gas-powered airsoft revolver. Actually, really, oh, jeez. That's a nice gun. Wow. Wow, I actually like this thing. The order and all was $179. I just can't seem to get this out of the box, but actually I'm going to move this big box so I can move all the stuff up so you can all see it. Okay, so the TFK AirRattle t-shirt, 5,000 BBs, the gun, free, the revolver, which I'm trying to get out right now, which isn't really... Jeez, that's a nice gun, but gotta get some a nice not cutting. Gotta sharpen it. Sorry, this video's taking a little long. There we go. Wow. A nice. I don't even know how to use this. I never used a revolver. Jeez. Jeez. And here's all the rounds. Which, let's see. Figure out how to use this thing, but it's like it's a revolver. Okay, I'll get on to the other things after I read about this. At least now I know what to do with this thing. Oh god, I'm missing the bullets. That is not good. There it is. Okay, so I'm guessing you put it back in like. No, I really should have read the instructions. That's not good. You know, I'll just stop here, but then it comes with a little pack of sample BBs, like always. So, you know, a pretty nice revolver. Gotta figure out how to put this thing back in. I like this. No, I'll have to figure it out later. But I'm just going to put this aside. Now, let's get on to the free handgun, which, I don't know, is okay, I guess. You know, anything free is fine to me. Alright, so, here it is. Got a, you know, for a $20 handgun for free with the order, I'm not complaining. Wow, it's actually... I thought it was going to be worse than this. Jeez. Oh, there. Wrapped in plastic. Comes with a laser sight. Oh. No, you know, for a free handgun, not the worst. Like, little secondary. Yeah, pretty nice. And then, like I said, laser pointer, which is broken. Whatever. Yeah, that's broken. Whatever, so we are now at 5:35. Now, oh jeez, that's about cutting this one. The 350 FPS gun. See how this is gonna open. Everyone's still there. So I got the clip out. Just wondering what that noise is. So, pretty nice clip, I would say. Oh, that's what it's here too. I don't know what that noise is. I don't know if you hear that, but something's moving around. Probably nothing, hopefully. Got, don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. Okay, finally. Oh, it is moving. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice for Uzi. Gotta figure out how to use this, but clip goes here. You know, I like this. Just gotta. Guess I'll have to mess with it after the video. Pretty nice. I honestly want to see how this clip comes out. Oh, that's how you have to take it out. But $79 for CO2 Mac 11. So, I guess that's the video. I'll show you a 23 grand. Free t-shirt with orders over $100. A free handgun with over like $70. Green gas and a revolver. That's it. Stay tuned.